Hi, thank you so much for considering to purchase this asset. And yeah, I'm here to give you a quick overview of the AI perception system that I've built. So it's pretty simple, really. We've got 4 scripts here. The fifth one is the custom editor scripts for all the arcs and all the visualization within the editor. And yeah, I'm here to break it down quickly. So basically we've got 2 beans. We've got the player bean, which has a simple list of sounds to trigger the AI. This could be any sounds. This could be gunshots. This could be grenades. This could be running in the bushes, whatever the case may be. I've got footsteps here. It sounds awful when I play the game, but it's showcasing I can have like 4 different types of footsteps trigger the AI. Whatever's in this list can be a trigger, right? You can even edit the script to take in a scriptable object to be a bit more cleaner and not have the list here. Possibilities are endless. And I think it goes without saying that this is a template, a jumping off point, a place to start, so you don't have to go and develop all of this by yourself and waste all the time. So I sincerely hope this is a great time saver for you. Yeah, so let's have a look at the enemy, because that's where everything happens. We've got the AI script and we've got the sensory script. AI, sensory. And basically the AI script takes in a game object of audiovisual tag, which is the hello world tag. Delete it, we don't need it, just for demonstration purposes. So if you get the project on your side, you can see how it works. So let's have a look here. We've got a head height, so we can adjust the head height of our enemy NPCs. We've got a hip height, so we can adjust the hip height of the enemy NPCs. Very cool. And we've got the sensory visualization colors. So we can make the cone for the vision any color we'd like, right? We can change the opacity. We can make it super bright, which I don't prefer. Yeah, have a look at the hearing. The hearing is the same. We can change the hearing to any other color we'd like. So let's make it a nice dark deep blue and have it a bit, well, that's a bit hard to see. Let's keep it cyan. There we go. And then we've got our starting attack color, which is that red disc. Notice it's different to the orange attack range, because how that works is if the player runs into the red attack disc, the NPC goes into attack mode and can attack the player with a weapon until the player has left the orange zone, so until the player is outside. If it is a melee combat game, then you can just bring this radius in much closer. So let's have a look at the sensory system. We can adjust the distance, how far NPC can see. We can adjust the visible angle, the field of view. I think humans are like over here, I think. But that's just unfair, right? So let's have it a nice 70, 60, 80, I think was a sweet spot for my game. And we've got a hearing. So the hearing is pretty cool, because the bigger you make it, the more gaps in your hearing you get. The closer you make it, the smaller the gap. So you can actually slip by, which, yeah, feature, bug, your call. But we can change this later. Or you can change it. So we've got a start attack radius over here. So as I mentioned, once you're in this radius, the NPC will start attacking. And we've got an attack range radius, which will allow you to either run away and get shot, or meleeed and try and run away. Yeah, so that's just the range at which the NPC can keep attacking the player. So let's give this a go. And before I do, I've got a manager here, event manager, which triggers the sounds on the sensory system from the player simple camera controller script. Let's have a look. There we go. So it's going to be very loud. So I'm going to try and talk over it. But if we have a look, if I walk into hearing player, there we go. Because I'm doing all the footsteps and you can hear me. Good. But if I push control, you can't hear me. Because when you crouch, you don't want to be heard. Okay. Now we can go into the attacking. So player can attack. Notice I'm in the orange zone. But if I leave the orange zone, peace and quiet. And the same with the visual. I can see a player. Peace and quiet. I know. Attack. And out. Yeah, so that is the AI perception system, the sensory system. It is as I mentioned, a jumping off point so that you don't have to go and develop this yourself. And I sincerely hope this can help you in your projects and it could speed up your workflow. Thank you again, and have a great day.